In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Zoom email address. If you need to update the email connected to your Zoom account, the process is pretty simple, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion. This is useful if you've switched to a new email, want to keep your account information current, or just need to replace an older address with one you use more often. To get started, open Zoom in your browser and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, look for the My Account option and click on it. This will take you to your account settings area, where you can manage your personal information and other account details. After that, click on Profile. The Profile section is where Zoom stores your main account information, including your name, contact details, and login-related settings. This is the area you'll use to make the email change. Once you're on the profile page, go to the email section. Take a moment to make sure you're looking at the correct field, since this is the email address currently associated with your Zoom account. It's always a good idea to double check before making any changes, especially if this account is used for meetings, work, or important notifications. Next, click on Edit beside the email field. This will allow you to update the current address. When the field becomes editable, type in your new email address carefully. Make sure there are no spelling mistakes or missing characters, because even a small typo can prevent you from receiving account-related messages. Once you've entered the new email, click Save Changes. This tells Zoom to update the information you just entered. If Zoom asks you to verify the new address afterward, be sure to complete that verification step using the inbox for your new email. Without verification, the change may not be fully completed. And that's it. You've now gone through the steps to change your Zoom email address. As a final tip, after saving the update, it's a good idea to sign out and sign back in later using the new email if needed, just to confirm everything has been updated properly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you update your Zoom account.